Recently, medical technology is advancing at an incredible pace. Inter-Medi is at the forefront of this innovation, revolutionizing the field of orthopedic implants and surgical planning. At Inter-Medi, we use cutting-edge 3D printing technology to create highly precise bone models, patient-specific guides, and patient-specific implants. This allows us to tailor our products to each patient's unique anatomy, ensuring the best possible outcome for their surgery. 3D printed implants are also available for joint reconstruction. Our 3D printed bone models are also used for education and surgical planning. These models give surgeons and medical students and young surgeons an unparalleled understanding of the patient's anatomy before they ever set foot in the operating room. Our patient-specific implants are designed using advanced imaging technology and 3D modeling, ensuring a perfect fit for each individual patient with unparalleled accuracy, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. Our 3D printed medical devices cannot be accomplished without the software programs and expert engineers designing the 3D patient-matched products. We're not just limited to joint implants. We also design and manufacture spine pedicle screws and interbody cages, helping to stabilize and support the spine. We offer a range of fracture plates and grip plates designed to support and stabilize the hip joint. Lego-style plates will enhance another possibility for orthopedic businesses. Inter-Medi also care about the people who participate into the surgery. We manufactured Inter-Medi surgical helmet. This helmet was designed to protect surgeons and nurses from harmful exposure during surgical procedures. At Inter-Medi, we're committed to using the latest technology to create the highest quality products, tailored to each patient's unique needs. It's not just about innovation, it's about improving lives.